Hi guys, and thank you so much for coming to this page. My name is David Albanese, and I'm a real estate broker, entrepreneur, business flipper, home flipper, credit repair expert, credit repair entrepreneur. Thank you so much for landing on this page that can possibly change your entire life as long as you stick around for the next webinar where my good friend Alfred's going to explain the entire process of getting set up with two things, probably the most important two things in your life, especially living here in the US, credit. The power of credit in my life and my career in the real estate industry, in the entrepreneur world of buying and selling businesses, starting businesses, selling businesses, everything under the sun. This country is powered by credit. And whether you have money or you don't have money, if you have credit, then you do have the means to make a ton of money and the possibility to turn your entire life around for you and your family. See, my goal when I started was to provide a better living for my mom, for my brothers, my sisters, for my family, my wife, my kids. And with credit, I was able to accomplish this over the course of a short few years that turned my entire life around. See, when I was young, I made huge mistakes and I ended up with horrible credit really quickly. And the mistakes that I had made when I was younger affected me for years and years to come. Until I found the solution and realized the power of credit and understood that I had to make a difference in my credit score in order to make a difference in my life, is when I realized that credit is power, whether you have any money or you don't have any money. On the next screen, there's gonna be a webinar where my good friend and partner, Alfred's gonna explain the entire process, whether you need to get your credit repair and get to that next level so you can make things happen as buy a house, buy a car, get a loan, start a business, whatever it may be, the power of credit is there and Alfred's gonna explain everything of how to get there. The other beautiful thing about this country, and until I realized that I wanted to be an entrepreneur, I wanted to be a businessman and never in my life work for anybody else, that 9 to 5, 9 to 6 grind, is when I realized that starting my own business, my own venture, my own space where I had infinite opportunity is when I realized that the power of credit and entrepreneurship or business is the way of the US of A. It's the way where you go from rags to riches possibly. So if you have problems with your credit or you're just looking for an incredible business opportunity, you're in the right place. Alfred's gonna explain everything to you about exactly how it works, and we're here to help and to serve you. Thank you so much. Go ahead and fill out the information on this page, get to the next screen and watch the webinar. The spaces are super limited for this. So if you're really interested and you're really ready to make a change in your credit or in your business life, then please sign up below. If not, please leave a page and continue with what you were doing. If you are ready to make a change, continue forward. This opportunity is for you.